Hey everyone, Dank and Derpy Gamers back with another programming stream. Today, we're going to continue work on this Sonic the Hedgehog clone in JavaScript that I've been working on and off for way too damn long. Alright, so right now I'm actually going to try my hand at implementing a crab meat. Sort of. But I also want to test whether or not I can actually get collisions and rebounding working properly to be a thing. So, since last time, I did actually make a change to my engine here. Well, now if you... Whoops. Now if you scroll in, you hit left and right, the screen will not automatically scroll. But take a look at this. And then... See how much faster that animation was? Because I finally implemented the variable animation speed. So that works. Now, it would be nice to make successfully a crab meat. So that's what we shall do. Duty. Okay. Going to assume that this is frame number 1. So in that case, frame 1. Frame 2. Alright, so now it looks like I'm going to have to add a row of pixels on either side of my crab meat, though. And I know that sounds really wrong. So sue me. It sounds really wrong. What you gonna do about it? Hey, what's up, Tojo? What's going on, man? And didn't tell me I'm not crazy and thinking that just saying crab meat just sounds kind of wrong as hell. Like, oh god. Okay, so hold on. How is that not the same pixel for pixel? Oh yeah, no, I see how it isn't. Never mind. Never mind. I still need to add a row of pixels on either side of the frame here. There we go. Now, every frame is the same size. Okay, that does not look like... Okay, I don't know where the fuck the sprite sheet came from, but that does not look right at all, man. Alright, so I think I know what I'm going to do. So now what I'm going to do is just focus on making this a collision test kind of object for now until I can get the sprite sheet worked out, and then I can get the movement going. So for the animation itself, I went to a system where the frame duration, a variable decrements until it reaches -1, then it advances to the next frame. So I was thinking about doing something like that but for the movement of badniks, in terms of knowing when to stop, when to start, when to go one direction, when to go the opposite direction. And so on and so forth. So, oh, there was something I was just going to copy and paste from another collision thing just because it worked. There we go. That's what I was going to copy. Let me put that in the update thing. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do is make this false. Then, if it is true, it'll go to my collide Sonic. Wait, it equals no. Wait, true. Then it'll go to collide Sonic rolling. This is why I also really wish I had done this in C, because then I could have a generic object and use function pointers to make this functionality for specific objects just something that you would attach each program, or rather, each badnik would just have its own object, its own functions, and that's really all it would be. Hold on. Yeah, I had a badnik. I had the width and height of a crab meat done before. Hold on, I can figure this out. Let me just go. Maybe I'll just use this one for now. So the width and the height, 42 by 31. There we go. Oh, yeah, I forgot my 3 key is still gimped. Okay, now let's get the spring object. I mean, let's go in here because that. No, that's not it. Script, component, no. Objects, hazards, test floor. But here's what we're going to do. Uh, Let me just resize that. There we go. Only here's the thing. Instead of doing the collision sensor thing, let me see if I can get to my Sonic object. And this is another thing I love about this mouse with the buttons on the side. I can just scroll right through the code without moving my mouse up and down. It's so cool. Anyway. So what I'm going to do here, just that midpoint. I'm going to be using the midpoint as the basis for colliding. Oh God. You can say that again. Oh, holy crap.
Did you forget to pay for virus protection?
I fucking hate this ad. I seriously
It's
do.
switching time.
All the guy did is have another podium go up and change the display to the new pad. That's not ovation, standing ovation worthy, you fucking clod. Like, Jesus Christ. I don't know why, but that's really, that commercial, that ad really pisses me off. Oh, in terms of retro games, I am going to want to play through another old favorite of mine, an old kind of mystery or puzzle game called Titanic Adventure at a Time that came out in like '96 or so. It is such a fun game. I watched a playthrough of it last night, and it just made me feel all nostalgic, but I really gotta figure out how to make it work with DOSBox. But once I do that, I'm definitely doing a playthrough of my own. Because that was my shit when I was a kid, along with Sonic and a lot of other games. Alright, so this is where the fun begins. Trying to implement this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to make rebounding its own function in my Sonic object. That's what I'll do. Oh God, I don't think I could stand not having socks on, especially since in the room behind me is where I keep the cat's litter box, and she has a tendency to try to kind of spread some litter around the floor. Even though I vacuum it up all the time, it's just like that oof factor. Plus, I don't want my cat clawing at my raw feet, even though I could still feel her claws if she happened to claw at my socks. Although she, more often than not, just smells them for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. In Y posts, that is actually the comparing the Y position that we're being comparing, or we'll compare this thing to. Whoops. There we go. So if he rebounds, then his Y speed is just multiplied by -1. But if he's not really rebounding and these conditions are not met, let's see. This that Y speed minus equals 1 times. Well, I could just take out the 1 times and just do the sign of, but I just want to be thorough and make it clear as to how I'm implementing it based off of the Sonic Physics guide. And just so you know, the sign is in utility functions. It's basically it gets the sign of the value. There we go. It returns 1 or -1. So if it's greater or equal to 0, it'll return a 1, less than 0, -1. Okay, so now let's get back to my Sonic object here. There we go. I think that actually worked correctly. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. Each of these badniks There we go. So this will also make it easier when you're to make the collisions work right. If this is not true, Sonic will have his collision with the object, and then this will become true, and that will be a sign in my object maintaining system to remove it outright, whether it's in the list of objects that are actually on screen or not. I don't know why it would be destroyed if it were off screen and not collidable with Sonic, though. There we go. Okay. So now let me see if I can actually test this thing. But first, before I do that, I gotta... Whoops. I gotta whoops. Alright, game data, objects, hazards, /. There we go. Now, I'm not going to add the object yet. I just want to see if there... No crash. That's a good sign. Okay, that's looking good so far. So now, how about we add a test object? Actually, first, let's get some music playing again.
Uh-oh, no Wi-Fi.
God damn it. Google, fuck off with your Chromebook and Google Fi ads. You're just going to make people want to get it even less than if you spammed them with bullshit ads. Oh yeah, I just remembered something I wanted to test. I'll get to that in a second. Uh-oh. And I goofed somewhere. 42. Whoops. Yeah, I definitely screwed that one up. And I don't understand why Firefox keeps doing this with random jQuery bullshit. Doesn't make debugging this any easier. Fire cunt. Fuck off. Titwit. Whoops. Oh, stupid me. Something's still up. Whoops. That's the problem of not having a thing you can see. Hold on. I know what I can do. And yes, this is a very crude solution for now. It will do, though. Oh yeah, I don't need this collide Sonic thing function, because all of my rolling and rebounding stuff is in its own function in Sonic. That makes things a lot easier to deal with. Duh. Well, that's not working. Pisswank. Hey, welcome back. Let's get this. Crap. Oh, I want to get the proper name for this item. Basically, I'm trying to make a Sonic the Hedgehog clone using JavaScript and HTML5. Okay, I don't need to use the proper sound for this. Let me just... How mature, huh? Ooh, wait, wow. Oh, no, that wasn't it. Hold on. Uh-oh. Sonic is somehow colliding with this thing all the time now. Oh, wait, no, that's not. That's why. Duh. That's better. That's weird. Why is this not checking if there's collision going on? It seems like. So, checks the midpoint. I don't get it. It's supposed to check that these 2 points, which are the midpoint for Sonic are in here, are colliding within that box, which is where the crab meat will go once I get the sprite sheet worked out. And I made it so that whenever a collision does happen, first thing it does, at least for the testing purposes here, is see if, just display some kind of message here. I still haven't fixed the rebound, the weird movement in the air. I'll get to that eventually, though. This is really pissing me off, though. Okay, first thing I could do to clean this up, I could remove this. Since over here, the updating will return if is destroyed is set to true. Whoops. Actually, let me just do one more thing. Oh. Well, that somehow worked. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Now, where did it go wrong? Oh yeah, I changed that to play and not change. Duh. Oh yeah, it's because of that, I think. This is actually kind of pissing me off. Actually, here's what I'm gonna. I wanted to change focus for a minute. All right. So equals false when true. skips over clear slash update set draw functions. There we go. It will do that, which will allow me to simulate pausing or unpausing the game. I realize that that's actually something that actually even better than that. Yeah, she actually was a great Cruella. Hold on, what is... Let me go back to this global variable. What is key code number 13? The return or enter key. Okay, let me see. Uh-oh. Okay, that's weird. Why the hell is that not working? Hold on. Hold on, where's that player? Let me see this. Frames locked. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to make this independent of if the game is paused or not. Actually, no, that would not be a good idea because pausing and unpausing would completely fuck up various movement related things. Yeah. But this general idea here is good. If it's paused, skip over the setting and getting of the globals and then updating frame states and clearing the screen, updating everything and drawing and everything and just queuing to go through the loop again. Well, that in of itself would work. Should work, right? But let me see. Uh, okay, I got an idea. This is just to test the idea. This is just to test the idea. Nope. I don't know why that didn't work. It is so weird. You know what? Maybe I'll just nix the idea of actually implementing it. Keep this is paused part of the conditional working. And for now, just focus on trying to make that stupid collision with the crab meat object work. That's weird. Well, that didn't work. Actually, I think I could remove these now, couldn't I? And of course, I do need the input to be what it is here, just because with horizontal springs there and with diagonal springs, there is a control lock in place. Speaking of which, I probably shouldn't have removed the control lock outright. I should have probably just made it so that stupid thing was in that loop. Where's test floor? I did actually have a version of this test floor object working in such a way where if you where if it moved, you can move along it. It would work like a proper moving platform. Whereas if you added, like if you were, it was a platform that moved up and down, it would properly adjust Sonic's Y position, X position if it was a horizontal moving platform, X and Y if it were moving diagonally, etc. And it worked pretty well actually. So that's pretty cool. Um, so let's go back to springs because I know that I've gotten these kind of working before, and they'll be easy to test. Okay, there we go. See the update. Is that update Sonic? Oh no, that's Collide Sonic. Let's go back to the level here. Oops. Damn it. Spring, spring, spring. Yeah, spring this one on myself here. Oops. No wonder it didn't work. Hold on, where is that error coming up? Console. 110. There we go. It's a stupid mistake. Hey, there we go. Kinda. But that's the weird part. You know, I think once I made a means of handling object collisions and managing objects, these things actually worked correctly. I don't know why. It was annoying. Script, components. There we go. This is gonna be a huh? Combat cold cuts. Nine 9:35 and I'm already exhausted. I'm glad I don't have work tomorrow. Be able to do more during the day. Oh, that's probably why. Maybe I should add an element with a name so that the animation object can search by name. So no matter where this ends up being, then these things can be found. Oh, I'm an idiot. I also didn't forget. I also forgot to finish this. Damn, no wonder. Okay, let me go back to spring. Whoops. A comma where I don't need it. Okay. Close everything but this for now. Put a new one here. Okay. There we go. A0 through AF. B0 through BF. There we go. C0 through CF. Alright. Slash D. Wait, no. Wait, slash D is what we want to replace this with. Slash C with slash D. Slash D now with slash E. Whoops. And now, the last one. Slash E with slash F. And voila. Now I have the sound effects I need. So it's CC 45 minus 1, so it's element 44. Alright, so bring there we go. There we go. Of course, now it doesn't work anymore. Piss wanker. So what do you think? Should I make it so that the string, that each animation has its own string? To make it so I can find each object? Wait, no, let me rephrase that. So what I want to do is for the animation, let me go to animation data. Mm. There we go. Hold on. Oh yeah, I'm overthinking it. Pretty. I'm sure that pissed off Raph. There we go. Let me just get some more music playing. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about the animation data packages, so to speak, being in any specific order. I don't care what anyone says. Sometimes movies that critics really dislike, I always end up either liking outright or finding really funny things that always make me think at least a little bit better of it if I do find the overall thing disappointing. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. Hold on. I want to just try and get this implemented quickly. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let's see. I have a feeling that this is not going to work. It's going to be worth trying. Yeah, that didn't work. $31. Oh, that fart I just ripped just smells so bad. Well, that sucked. Well, for animation data, I can just leave the identifier strings. SRC is now element 1. It's element 2 there. So that part is fixed, I think. $91. Animations, 91. Oh, that's why. Whoops. 3, 3, 3. Okay. So now we've got it, so I just need to now make it so that you can search for an animation by string, which will mean that I can have the animation data in any order I want, and it won't matter because the animation system will be able to find it, which will make things a lot easier for me because I won't have to worry about what order all this shit is in terms of how it's laid out. I won't have to keep changing that stuff around, you know? I love that sound. I don't know why. I always found that such a funny sound. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to do this. The Super Mario Land Kingdom of first level music with a Thomas the Tank Engine sound font. or with a Jupiter 8 sound instrumentation, rather. It doesn't. It sounds so cool, though. All right. I don't know why. I'm getting a headache. There we go. Whoops. So I really do hope this works because I would like to make it so it don't have to worry about what order the animation packets are in. Right now, I have to go through all of these different animation reliant objects and just change the number that goes into the index that for manually. I have to manually change the index for each object, and this would make it so I don't have to do that anymore. I could just have a string as the parameter for initializing an object's animation and have it search for that. You know? I really hope this works. Fortunately, if it doesn't, I still have the original init function right here. Damn it. It didn't work. Crap. $117. Okay. So now we know what's going on. Hey, Starry, what's going on? Trying to make it for my animation system. Right now, I have it so each object that uses an animation passes a number, which is a subarray. What I'm trying to do here, though, is make it so I enter a string and it'll find that particular subarray rather than having to update each index as I add and move around subarrays for all the animation data. What a pain in the ass. I know there are probably better ways, but you know what? Screw it. Hold on. Let me try this. Obviously, changing what I need to change. Nope. Crap knockers. Oh. I pray that that's simple fix. 37. Whoops. Oh, yeah. Notepad++, you little shit. Okay, so no, that wasn't it. Get some music going. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Almost. I think we almost got it here. $38. I know this is going to be a lot less elegant than I originally wanted. Fuck it. Hey, it works! It worked! Holy crap! Now I don't have to worry about my animation data order. Yes! Woohoo! Yay! Now I don't have to worry about the order in which animation data here is kept, whether with the objects and whatnot, because it doesn't use an index based off of this. It just uses the identifying string here. Oh, you know what that means? I should make it so that the default animation data is an error kind of thing, or like the question mark. Like usually in level editors, the people who make them choose to use the question mark from a monitor in Sonic 2 as the default for when something, an object's image cannot be found. And I was thinking about doing that here too. Oh man, this is big though. Much as I wanted to get collisions with springs and crab meat and the like going, I think that this is more than big enough to consider a huge milestone in my Sonic engine. There we go. 16 by 14. Yep. current. This is I am just so damn happy right now. There we go. (16 by 14). That's correct. There we go. And now let's see that this actually worked out. Yeah! Woo! I do think I need to make an object handler before collisions will work correctly. Last time I actually got something kind of working like that, I had to do that before it worked. And this was the very first attempt at making a Sonic engine in JavaScript. That was over 2 years ago. And compared to this, quite crappy. What's up, man? Hey. No, JavaScript. I'm making a Sonic the Hedgehog engine. Or trying to anyway. And again, notice that the variable speed animation is frame duration has been implemented. When Sonic's ground speed is 0, looks like that, and when it's not, it's a lot faster. I actually wanted to see if Sonic was spinning too fast or not, so I loaded up Sonic 2, and it looked about right. Let me just and since all these versions use that stuff, I can show you what I mean here, how the variable thing works in an actual Sonic game. See how much faster it is when Sonic's running? Which shows that I did it correctly, I think. Ow. And just because I am ADD as fuck, I'm gonna go and play an alpha. After so many years of seeing the Simon Y prototype of Sonic. Right now, I'm trying to make it so that the backgrounds and whatnot are actual level data. So here's where I am at with that. Let me go to map. Oh, that's just temporary. So I can do this. I do keep this in place just in case I got any of the frame stuff messed up in terms of the Y position. That way I can adjust the positions and everything later on, whatever. See? There we go. Alright, so let me go back to my level script. Now, I want to see if I am correct in terms of iterating through some sort of array or whatnot, making it so that this thing will actually work. So temporarily, I'm going to remove this. So what I'm going to do now then is I have a bad feeling that this ain't going to work the way I think it will, but it's still worth a try because I want to make this kind of work. Now, test object array. Yeah, I like dark mode too. I don't know why I'm not using it here. Hold on. And I fucked something up. Oh yeah, it looks like a simple fix. 16. Wait, no. 26. No, yeah, it's 26. Duh. Cool. Now let's see what's wrong this time. 46. Oh, yay! Maybe. Ah, crap. Something's gone wrong. You just see it. Oh, yeah. It definitely. So it's not recognizing that these. Hold on. Let me just do this. It's not as elegant as I want. I know this is definitely not an elegant solution that we will have to do, though. Oh, what the fuck now? 79. Oh. Oh, I'm an idiot. For fuck's sake. 119. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's not perfect, but it's working, kinda. Sort of. Well, the collision doesn't work after the first time you move away from this thing. Well, now that we got these... There we go. What's up? I'm working on making the game engine as close to the Sega Genesis original as I can. Yeah, definitely. I could find a way to put this online so people could play it, although I have a feeling that I'm going to need to combine all the script files and then minify the fuck out of it. Otherwise, it's going to be one big ass script. Hold on. Not yet. I just love hearing that spring sound. It's just really funny. Oh yeah. Oh, that's where all those alerts are coming from. From my map building function, because I haven't. Oh, Sega won't give a shit though. The Sonic project. Let's go to the oldest builds for a sec. Um. Oh yeah, that's what I did for this. That could be fun though. No, seriously. Um, a top-down survival game could be a lot of fun. Let me go back to Sonic. Wait, where are the check collision functions I put down here? Ooh, that could be fun. I was thinking maybe an isometric thing, kind of like a fake 3D effect that could use a 2D plane. But would make building stuff easier. Hey, what's going on, man? Kind of like Sonic 3D Blast was isometric. Update. For draw. Oh, god damn it. Thought this was gonna work. Okay. Yeah. Well, it's gonna be worth it once I get this working. Oh, come the fuck on, game. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. Yeah. Oh, Tojo. Damn. Not working still. What the fuck? Alright, so I tried to take a look at what I did for the very first attempt at making a Sonic engine. So, clearly I had something working before. No, I didn't. I didn't get to. I'm messing around with an old attempt at building a Sonic the Hedgehog clone in JavaScript just because I'm having trouble seeing how I managed to get the collisions for objects working before. Well, the old spike. Oh. Whoops! Oh yeah, I forgot I had made it so I could reset when I die. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, this was the original attempt I had made at doing a Sonic engine. And I'm looking at this mainly because the collision detection for multiple objects on the screen worked. Kind of in terms of being able to go through each individual object and deal with the collisions when you add objects to the array. It clearly worked. Like, see? Trying to figure out why it's not working in my latest iteration of that. Hmm. Yeah! Look at that. That's stupid. Whoops. Goodbye, world. Like in that episode of SpongeBob, where Squidward is all alone in that world with no anything. Okay, so let me go back here. And this is the code I have. Oh, wait. Let me try something here. Again, this is going to make things look very inelegant, but once I get a proper object handling system in place, everything will clean up so nicely. Oh yeah. Oh shit, what did I do now? It was an interesting show. 46. Whoops. I'm just gonna call this the object stack. Just because I really liked that name. Well, that didn't work. What a pain in the ass. You know what? And this main game function thing will clean up even more nicely because I think the object handler will be a part of the map handler. Oh, or maybe not. But even if it isn't, it will still be a lot neater than it is now. Okay, I gotta see something here. Where's my spring? Ringity dingity doo. Ringity doo 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 doo. Hold on, is that let me go all the way up. Yeah, that's right. Midpoint. 0 and 1. Oh, fuck me. Why did I screw up now? Oh yeah, that's what. Okay, that's really weird. Wait, maybe there's something to this. Let me see how this looks up here. Screen width, screen height. So that matches. Hmm. Check collisions. Let me actually. My god, the folder for this is such a goddamn mess. Oh yeah. Oh god. That explains a lot. Let me try something else now. There we go. Actually, let me just make sure that I could actually do this without much difficulty. I think I'm going to need to. Oh yeah, that is I. God, I feel dumb. Okay, why don't I just stop torturing myself and just copy and paste the whole damn thing and then work through there. Tell me about it. What genre is it? I really wish I didn't have to feel like I was taking a big risk. Oh, what the hell? Sonic 40, 41. Wait, or 13. I can't read for shit, can I? All right. Okay, I'm an idiot. There we go. Kinda. There. Oh, come on, asshole. There we go. What a pain in the ass. Continue. Definitely, man. This guy does excellent 8-bit renditions of Sonic the Hedgehog music. The one that whose music I'm playing right now, I mean. Damn it! Why is this shit not working? Yeah, I'm gonna set that to loop. I want to hear that again. Alright, so I'm going to try this again with the midpoint instead of using his floor sensors. You know, one thing I love about this cold weather is how well I sleep. Although I will say, on the downside, I've noticed that the number of strange dreams I've been having has increased significantly. Whoa! Wait! Yes! Woohoo! Well, sort of. Okay, why are you not working now? Ah, come on. Alright, so here's the test. Again, I should say. Four. $112. Whoa! Wait, whoa! Hey! It's working, kinda. Woo! Oh, love that sound. Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! But jumping doesn't work for some reason. Oh wait, maybe that's because Sonic's midpoint. Let me try something here. Okay, that didn't work. Ah. Okay, that did not work. God damn it. So let me try this instead. I'm just gonna brute force a check with each of these sensors. $108. Oops. Hey! Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Holy crap! I still can't believe it works. Woo! Hold on, let me try something now that I got that working. Okay, that didn't work. Fuck! Okay. So I didn't quite get the rebounding working just right. I like making that star post sound. Come on, now what? Oh, it's a test box I want. Up. That's funny. All right. Alright, these test boxes and test floors. Screw them. Let me see something here. I never get tired of that tune. There we go. I don't have a bumper sheet yet. Okay, no, I know what I can do. There we go. Hey, bumpers! Kinda work. Oh. Not really, though. Hold on a sec. Okay, that's annoying. Hang on a moment, folks. One moment, folks. Oh my god. This is pure eargasm right here. Whoops. No wonder it wasn't working. No. Oh, I forgot to do this too. What I do here, I do a bitwise OR here, so that if an invalid value is entered, it becomes something usable. At least I've found it useful. Oh yeah, that's gonna. Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. Oh yeah! Woo! Uh-oh. We got a problem here. Oh, crap. Hey, kinda. Hey! Yeah! It's working, guys! Woohoo! Oh man. It's a little wonky right now, but it's well on its way. I'm getting there. It's so cool. Okay, so correction here. Bumper, bumper. Where's that bumper, bumper, bumper? Come on, you pesky bumper humper. Wait, what? Never mind. Alright, so it's only the midpoint collisions that are checked here with the bumper object. Uh-oh. Yeah, that was weird. Alright, so it's from Sonic's midpoint to the bumper's midpoint. Hold on. So what I'm gonna do is just copy, paste, and modify. If it doesn't work, so be it. Actually, I do want to go back to this guy's other stuff. And 26. 20. There we go. Hey, I think that worked. Kinda. Hey, I think it works now. I think. Almost. Oh, come on. I gotta figure out why, or rather how to fix the weird air acceleration. But that looks like it looks okay. This is so exciting. Although I got one more test of this. Hey, look at that! I think it works! Okay, maybe not. Yeah, that definitely does not look like it worked correctly. Whoops. Look at that Y speed. Oh, Jesus Christ. What did I do? Negative 7.1054273576010002 e to the negative 15th power. Oh man. Yeah, I think I may have fucked things up a little bit. But look at that. I mean, that bumping looks pretty much correct. And that looks correct too. Yeah. And even with those weird things that happen, you get some great progress. Let me just change one thing. There we go. Now, no matter what, or almost no matter what, the positioning and all that data doesn't flow over into another line. Actually, just to be safe, where are you? That's better. Now it definitely doesn't. Trying to figure out what the hell I did before. Oh. What the heck? Negative 3.55271367888001 each to the negative 15th. Oh shit, man. Hey, double hooks, what's going on? Woo! Hey! It worked. Sort of. Holy cow. Still want to get my other things working. You saw that? My Y speed just went absolutely bonkers. I don't know why. Well, basically, the best way to put this is I done goofed, and the game decided to fuck me over in an absolutely hilarious way. I think that's the only way I can really accurately describe this. Oh, dear God. I don't have the animation for springs working yet, but once I do, it'll be cool. But till then, let me replace these. Whoop. 190, 0. Oops, nothing there, I guess. Oh, and now I realize now the smaller font size means you can actually see all of Sonic's various states here. Maybe I could add positioning for Sonic's midpoint and all the sensors. I just love that sound. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. It's just such a funny sound. Eventually, I mean, right now, I just want to focus on getting Sonic working correctly and getting level layout and stuff. But then I could add Tails. That would be fun. Hold on. I gotta just. Oh man, where's that map handler? Oh, did I really just remove the Let me see something. Okay, so I now have it so you just land on the bottom of the screen. But what I'm going to do is Sonic's death sound. Oh. No, the only problem is I don't remember which one was dying. Hold on, where's that Sonic? And of course, the index I need is the same as the key that's gimped on my keyboard right now. Oh, come on, that didn't work? Global sound, there's the sound player. Um, oh, that's why. Oh man. But here's the thing. Where's that move death function? Okay, this is not going to be any kind of permanent code, but this is just going to show you. Oh, God. Oh man. Let me just see one thing here. Now, this is not meant to be permanent code, but this attempts to replicate the way Tails continuously dies over and over in the Simon Y discovered Sonic 2 prototype. It's just as funny with Sonic as it is with Tails. It's just like when I'm torturing Tails in the Simon Y discovered prototype of Sonic 2. Or rather, should probably be, at this point be called one of the alphas of the game. Since the build after that particular prototype was called the pre-alpha. I just love doing that. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I don't know. Map handler. Let me see something here. Level attributes. Whoops, no, that should be here. There we go. Oh, God. Wait, where's my map handler? Oh, there it is. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Four, 5. Okay. Hey, there we go! No cap on his Y speed, so it's gonna really look weird in a few seconds. Look at that. His Y speed keeps going up. It's now 100, 108. It's about past 200 now. Yeah. And then look at that. Sonic looks like he's just sliding down like shit stuck on a window or something. Or he did. Now he's completely invisible. What the Uh-oh. I have wanted to try and get my tile collisions working, but the fact that I've gotten this done with the object handling, that alone I think is something special. And a great step. I also would like to get the spring animations working, but that's another story for another day. Ooh, I think I just figured out the how to make my spring animation work. Animation. Frames remaining. Alright, I'll spare you from the spring sound for now. Alright. There we go. Okay, that didn't work. Well, at least the game didn't crash. Okay, this is a very. This is more. See if the animation changing and reverting idea I have this time works. Okay, so that didn't work. Sort of. Hold on. I think I know what I need to do here. And that still didn't work. Crap. For me, it is about. Wow, it's almost midnight. Hmm. Hold on, let me just see my spring. Okay, let's see if this works. Nope. Shit. Not quite yet. Although I am getting tired of this shit not working right. That's a different kind of tired. Oh my, I'm an idiot. I think I just figured out what I was doing wrong here. Okay or not? God damn it. That's a good question. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Here's a fun fact. God damn it. Why is this fucking thing not working? Frame count. Frame duration is. Oh yeah. I think Scooby would be that would be cool. Imagine doing an interview with him just speaking as Scooby the whole time. That would be fun, actually, I think. Hmm. God damn it. Read. Hold on. Oh. Update animation. It updates the animation itself and then checks to see if the conditions are met that are needed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now midnight. I think I will end my stream for tonight. We have actually made a shitload of progress. But, like all good things, we must come to an end for now. If you like this video and you've not yet done so, if you're on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, tap the bell icon so you're notified every time I stream or upload a video. If you are on Mixer or Twitch, please do me a solid and follow me. If you want to connect on social media, you may do so through Discord, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to donate, which is always optional, you may do so through Patreon, PayPal, Wallet, and Streamlabs. Whether as little as $1 or any amount above, every bit is greatly appreciated and goes towards making this channel a triptastic success. Until tomorrow, dang derpy gamer yawning and saying thank you for watching. I hope you all had fun, and as always, please stay classy, stay sassy, be smartassy, but not too gassy. People still don't like that, and I will see you all tomorrow.